zimekuwa tofauti. Anaangalia kotini usiku peke yake na mzuri. And we talk the rest that you have education. This commission is the one that is. Why don't you have and tell the court is free commission?
As we go to Teacher Service Commission on 2nd of July, the following are some of the highlights of what we have proposed to be negotiated. Basic salary rise between 50 and 100%. 100% for those who are lowly paid and 50% who are currently earning higher perks. House allowance, an increment of 20%, and also before the 20%, we have to be moved to cluster 1, which depicts cities of this land. Then we also have commuter allowance, which must be increased between 200 and 250%. And then hardship allowances. You remember recently, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Chairman has already alluded to it, decided to revise the hardship allowance gazettement and gazettement of areas. We are saying that the current 45 zones must be retained, and also the areas should be expanded to include some of the areas in Baringo, some of the areas in Migori, some of the areas in Bomet, and some of the areas which were threatened with, and some of the areas in Kilifi.
But the plans moving forward, we must change strategy. For JSS to stand, possibly think about this. I want to speak to you to generate ideas, because for me, I depend on what you generate to speak. That could JSS be an independent school, so that we have 3 levels of schools. We have the primary school, we have JSS led by the people who are in JSS, and we shall win what you were talking about. Because the teachers who are teaching JSS that will become the principals and leaders of that particular sector. And then we have the higher school. That will enable the linkage between the secondary school teachers who are in the JSS and those who are in the senior school to link up, and it will be very, very easy.